Hey guys, let us look at this problem, which is a very good problem for your CAT 2026 examination from the topic mixture and alligations. So let us look at this problem. The problem says an amount of rupees 194 was collected from 150 students. Each boy gives rupees 1.2, it is 1.2 rupees, and each girl gives 1.4 rupees. So we need to find the number of boys and girls in the class. Okay, let's solve this problem. It's a very good problem. I would request you to pause this video first, solve it for yourself, and then verify the answers from this video. Now let's solve this problem. So I'll show you a very simple trick of alligations using which you can solve this problem very easily. So for this, what we'll do is we'll make an assumption. We'll make two assumptions. The first assumption is that all these 150 students are girls, right? So if all these 150 students are girls, let's say 150 are girls. So in that case, our total collection would have been rupees 1.40, which is the amount paid by each girl into 150, correct? So if we multiply this, we get this to be rupees 210. Right, so this is the first assumption. If all the students were girls, in that case our total collection would have been 210. Now if all those 150 students are boys, this is our second assumption. In that case we would have made 1.2 rupees, which is the amount paid by every boy, multiplied by the numbers of students, that is 150, right? So if we multiply this, we get this to be rupees 180, right? So using these two assumptions, what we are getting is, if every student was a girl, our collection would have been 210. If every student was a boy, our collection would have been 180, right? So let me write it over here. If every student was a girl, our collection would have been rupees 210. If every student was a boy, our collection would have been 180, right? But our actual collection is how much? It's 194, right? So let me write it over here. Our actual collection is 194. Now you can clearly see I have made this alligation flowchart, which we have learned in the previous videos. If you don't know what this is, I'll urge you to watch our previous videos so you get a context of what this alligation flowchart is. Now I have 210, the amount paid by a girl if every student was a girl, 180 as the amount paid by boys if every student was a boy, right? Now the amount is somewhere in the middle. Why? Because there are few boys who have paid some amount and there are few girls who have paid some amount, right? Now we can solve this problem using the flowchart. What we'll do is we'll subtract 210 from 194. We get this as 16. Subtracting 194 from 180, we get this as 14. This is girls, this is boys, this is, so we get the weight ratios, that is the number of ratio from girl by boys, 14 is to 16, which is 7 by 8, right? So there are 7 girls, 8 boys, and we know the total number of students is 150. So 7x plus 8x is 150. This gives us 15x as 150 and x to be 10. Over here I should write this properly. It should be 7x and 8x, or maybe, yeah, I mean the x has got cancelled, that is why these are ratios, right? So this is a common multiplication factor, multiplying by which I'll get the actual count of students. So that multiplying factor is 10. So I get the number of boys to be 7x, which is 7 into 10, that is, sorry, boys is 8x. So 8 into 10, which is 80, and girls to be 7x, which is 7 into 10 as 70. So using this technique, I have solved this problem in just seconds, right? I hope you were able to understand this solution. If you like this video, do give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.